Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these fun fish earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it. Roll out both balls of silver clay into cylindrical shapes. Make sure they are both the same size and length. Now we'll form it into a fish shape. Use your fingers to form the fin. I'm basically just manipulating the clay by pulling and pinching so that two corners are formed. You do want the fin to be slimmer than the rest of the fish body. And once you have the shape that you like, just repeat with the second one. Try and make sure they are both the same size. Use your needle tool or a toothpick to make the lines on the fin. Repeat on both sides of the fish. I'm using this scoring tool that has a pattern on it that kind of looks like scales. You can use whatever you'd like, anything you have around the house that would make the pattern of fish scales. Bend the fish into whatever shape you would like. Then form the fish mouth using your tissue blade. Make sure you cut it open wide enough so you can insert your eye hook. Make the holes for the eyes using your needle tool. Pre-poke the hole for your eye hooks. Bend your fins. Use small balls of clay and place them in the eye holes. Now I'm just going to decorate my fish. You can decorate yours however you would like. Bake your fish. Glue in your eye hooks. Now for the messy part. Time to resin and apply your glitter. After applying your resin, be sure that it does not dry so that you can apply your glitter. Now apply your glitter. You can put the glitter wherever you'd like, all over the fish or just the fin. Once the resin has dried, assemble your earrings. And here's my fish. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!